Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. As always, if there's anything specific that you are looking for, please feel free to leave that in the comments along with any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And this is a job lead that has spun out of that. I have a lot of international folks that are looking for customer service type jobs. Now, this job is hiring worldwide, so any country that you live in, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, doesn't matter. They're hiring worldwide. And if this job is for you, please stay till the end of the video because I'm going to help you with one of the interview questions. But let's just dive on in. The company Simplero is hiring a remote part-time weekend technical support hero. So Simplero provides a platform for people to do their life's work without the headache of tech. And they are hiring someone to help with their customer support of their platform. And it says, as a member of the support team, you will dazzle their customers with your competent answers to their questions. You'll provide fast and accurate responses to complex technical issues. You'll always have an ear out for what the customers are saying, so you can bring that back to the team. You'll write and update content for the knowledge base, and you'll write up any bug reports and escalate those as necessary. Now, you don't necessarily need to have a tech support background for this position. They're looking for someone who is trustable and can manage yourself and do great work. Someone who is patient and empathetic and enjoys working with customers. Someone who can understand online business terms like landing pages, email lists, lead magnets, someone who learns software fast because they will train you. It says experience in a high growth environment is preferred but not required. They want someone who is interested in resolving an issue and totally making the customer's day. Now, while they are hiring worldwide, you need to be fluent in English, and you get bonus points if you know any other languages. They want someone who is tech savvy, and of course, someone who can work weekends, Saturdays, and Sundays, because this is a weekend-only position. Now, as far as the working hours, you need to convert to your time zone to see if the hours will work for you, but they're looking for someone to work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time on the weekends of Saturday and Sunday. This is roughly 20 hours a week part-time. This pays $25 an hour. So this is very high pay for a part-time job. That is if you are based in the US. It does not state what the pay is in different countries. I'm sure pay is going to be dependent on location. Now, they do not provide any computer equipment for you. You are going to have your own desktop or laptop and reliable internet service. Now, if this sounds like the position for you, I will have this page linked down in the description below, but these are the steps to apply. You want to email your resume to this email address, cs-jobs@simplero.com. The subject line, you want to put Simplero Support Hero, and then you need to answer the following 3 questions. It says provide them a short paragraph. Now, the very first question is about how long the Simplero free trial is. I have linked this main page of theirs down in the description below also, but right here on the main page, it says your online business made simple, and it says request a demo or try for 14 days. So the answer to the first one about how long the trial is going to be 14 days. So you can go ahead and answer that question in your email and mark that off the list. Then you want to share if you have ever worked remotely, and it says, if so, 2 perks you like about working remotely. So this is either going to be a sentence in your email saying, I've never worked remotely, or yes, I have worked from home before, and these are the things I liked about it. And lastly, you want to tell them if you have any tech experience, how many years you have, and kind of explain your past tech experience or why you are passionate about serving others if you don't have any tech experience. Make sure before you hit send on that email that you do attach your resume. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.